Ecovacs, recognized as a global leader in home robotics, is reinventing garden maintenance with its high-end robotic lawn mower, the G1-2000. This model, designed for areas up to 2,000 square meters, combines precise navigation, neat mowing, and smart management. All of this without the usual hassle of peripheral cables. This is a major technological advancement that could change the way you manage your garden. Check out all the special offers through the link available in the description to learn more about this revolutionary product. The G1200 stands out with its silver and black tones, giving it a modern and sleek look that perfectly blends with any outdoor environment. Its compact dimensions and matte plastic, which is scratch-resistant, enhance its premium aesthetic. This robot is equipped with two advanced cameras, a panoramic one located on top and another wide-angle one positioned at the front. These sensors ensure precise recognition of edges and obstacles, providing efficient navigation. The charging station, for its part, resembles a small house with a built-in compartment to store the blades and other accessories. It is complemented by a garage that adds extra protection against the elements. The navigation beacons, while very visible, add a futuristic touch to the whole thing. The G1-2000 is designed for precise and efficient mowing. With a cutting width of 22 centimeters and an adjustable height between 30 and 60 millimeters. Adjustable in 13 increments, this robot offers great flexibility. Although this setting is manual, it ensures increased durability. Unlike traditional models that use peripheral cables, the G1-2000 relies on UWB beacons. These are easy to install and allow for quick delimitation through the Ecovacs Home app. Its powerful battery provides up to 3 hours of runtime, enough to cover 1,000 square meters in one go. The robot can then return to its station for a quick recharge, reaching 80% of its capacity in just 1.5 hours. In just 2 days, it can maintain an area of 2,000 square meters. With Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 4G, the G1-2000 offers options like mode selection, monitoring, rain detection, scheduling, mowing programming, and much more. Its noise level, limited to 59 dB, guarantees discreet operation. Perfect for both nights and days. The G1's controls are super intuitive thanks to the Ecovacs Home app. Once the robot is guided using a virtual joystick to outline the mowing area, it automatically creates an accurate map of your yard. This map can be customized to include up to 16 distinct zones with restricted areas. To protect your flower beds, swimming pools, or other sensitive structures, the navigation system ensures uniform coverage, even on difficult terrain, with slopes of up to 45%. Obstacles are detected using these advanced cameras and sensors. However, the robot can sometimes be too cautious, avoiding imaginary obstacles such as tufts of tall grass. With the built-in monitoring function, the GOG G1-2000 can even detect human presence in your garden and notify you in real time. It's also possible to pause mowing in case of rain or to set specific schedules to optimize its performance. Compared to its competitors, like the Dreamy A1 or the Segway Navy Ma, the G1-2000 has a significant advantage due to the lack of peripheral cables. This feature makes its installation and use easier. However, the UWB beacons might be considered less aesthetically pleasing compared to more discreet solutions. While the Dreamy A1 stands out with its stylish cutting stripes that look like a golf course, the G1-2000 excels at navigating through complex areas. Finally, the manual height adjustment settings might seem outdated. It enhances the reliability and longevity of the system compared to sometimes fragile electronic solutions. The Ecovacs G1200 Goat is a complete robotic mower that combines performance, technology, and ease of use. Whether it's for its smart navigation, quiet operation, or its ability to handle large areas, it perfectly meets the needs of users. Demanding as it may be, despite a few drawbacks like visible beacons or manual height adjustment, it more than makes up for it with its reliability and practicality. To discover all the details and take advantage of the best deals, check out the description. Every click and purchase through the link in the description supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts. Like the video and, of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. We'll see you other soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.